Professional-grade lavalier lapel microphone, perfect for iPhone phone or camera, blogging, vlogging, ASMR recording, video. Tiny shirt microphone with easy clip-on system. Upgraded 2022. Professional-grade lavalier microphone has new fully shielded cord that makes your voice perfectly clear and free of extraneous noise. Produced according to well-established technology. Microphone for iPhone, iPad, Apple MFi certified, from Pixel. Mic for iPhone live streaming, vlogging. External microphone for iPhone video recording, compatible with Apple Lightning devices, 5 feet. Apple Lightning devices friendly Lightning connector of Finch lapel microphone for phone is identified by Apple MFi certified. The certification represents made for iPhone/iPod/iPad. So, you can be sure. Wireless microphone for iPhone mini lavalier microphone, tiny phone mic, lapel small microphone for vlogging, YouTube, video recording, no app or Bluetooth needed. This mini microphone is a game changer. It takes recording videos to a new level. Only professional and lossless audio codec dual chips can achieve true 3-level noise reduction. Specially designed for those who pursue high-quality sound quality. Your ears will tell you the difference between ours and the others. RTOGM wireless lavalier microphone for iPhone with charging case, plug and play mini lapel mic for video recording, TikTok/YouTube/Facebook live stream, 3-level noise reduction, auto sync. Simply plug the receiver into your iPhone and switch on the microphone power, and the mic will instantly pair with your phone automatically. No additional adapter/app/Bluetooth connection needed. This mini microphone makes easier for you to record sound and video or live stream anywhere. 3 levels of adjustable noise reduction with high signal to noise ratio can minimize ambient noise, while the high sensitivity